So, in my opinion, this is... Hey guys, welcome to the new video, and today we're gonna test this one, chrome polish from Aliexpress. And it is very questionable because even translation is strange. Stay away from children instead of keep away. Or like, keep away from children, so pretty strange. And we're gonna test it on this chrome strip on my car. It's not in ideal condition because the car is like 10 years old. I hope you can see it, that it has scratches. It's not like ideal, and we're gonna test it and see is there gonna be any difference or not. Of course, the first step is to prepare the surface, so I'm gonna spray a little bit of foam and let it sit. Spray it with water to remove all the dirt and stuff. Okay, and we're gonna dry it with microfiber towel. Not the best way to dry it because microfiber towel is not so absorbent compared to other towels, but still we can have good results. I think it's very nice. The next step, let's mask out the paint and the rubber on top because I don't want to damage the paint. Because you need to understand that all polish is basically an abrasive, right? And you can damage the paint with it. And let's do half over here. Let's do half. So we will work here, and this will be our control. Also here. What does it say? It's a wipe off the dust on the surface of the logo, or I don't know, it means I think chrome. Apply the refurbishment paste onto the chrome plate parts, wipe with towel or toothbrush, rinse thoroughly with clean water and wipe dry. So in terms of pads, I'm gonna use today two. I'm gonna use this like spongy and I don't know, looks a little plasticky, and this towel, this pad with like towel microfiber like surface. Okay, I think yeah, let's do here the yellow part. Green one gonna be here, and this is control. Shake it a little bit. Okay, let's open it. And so I made a hole already here, and it looks like a very, very fine I think it should be enough for our surface. It looks like a very, very fine paste with some paint thinner. Okay, let's apply to our surface. Right, and because I don't have any power tools, I will do it in a circle motions like this. I don't know for how long I should do it, but let's say 2 minutes. So it's 28 now, and go. Oh, actually, I think that's like 45 seconds is more than enough because I don't feel like any material, any polish left here. So I think, yeah, let's say 1 minute. And let's do the same with our green pad. I think it's pretty generous for our very small part. I hope it will be okay. Yeah, I think it's more than enough for such a small part. Okay, let's do the same, like around 1 minute, like a circle motion. My hand hurts. Okay, I think 1 minute here is also done. Now let's do the same as it says on the package. Wipe. Oh no. Rinse thoroughly with clean water and wipe dry. And let's rinse. Okay, I actually think that we rinsed it very thoroughly, and now just wipe dry. Okay, let's remove our tape. I don't think we need it anymore because we actually have a little bit of paste behind the paint. So that's my bad. Let's rinse it one more time. Okay, now you tell me, do you see any difference? I actually don't. With my naked eye, I don't see where was the tape even. Really, like zero. I don't see anything. What about you guys? Do you see anything? No. So, in my opinion, this is not worth buying. Save your money.